Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and I thought just for a dare, we had I bought some baby food, yes, and it is specifically. So yes, I'm been dared to eat this. Well, drink it, I guess, and well, yeah, give it a shot. I'm already not I'm already not looking forward to this. Actually, before I do, I might just see what lovely's come out. Oh, that looks putrid. Oh. Well, it's by no means sweet, but it's yeah, it's not bad. I mean, the other one, I tried another one. Was the strawberry, was it strawberry raspberry or something? And it was so bitter, it made man cringe. I don't know how babies could eat that. That was how sour that was. So I mean, it's by no means a pleasant taste, but it's yeah, it's doable. Oh, hang on, that was the sharpness right there. Oh, I don't make them like they used to. Oh yeah, and sorry for the rubbish quality. It's the eyesight camera again. Oh,